Keblai pi barok syagatup khobor jungi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta ke sengi Shillong. Ya kenduk ki Regional Committee Meghalaya Assam halor upur. Dawa ki nong teri ying beriu banyo ya kejing itu kemat ke sorkar. Lek buram ke Jawai Blood Bank ya ki lai ngut ki nong ais nam besbun. Bat penkup buram ke St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong kat nyongut di dropper. Bat mentangin pa syagi khobor bakam banyak. Hakasin beningkong ki dekat jangka Regional Committee jangka West Janta Hills Meghalaya, bat ke Regional Committee jangka Karbi Anglong Assam, kilai kenduk banyak keren ye ki kampen bedport hapadeng kini ki artali ki jylla. Katai ke jingyalang ke belalong hakasingi kat Southerik jylliew ha State Convention Shillong, balami kemat naka jylla Assam da Upiyush Hazarika, bat na Meghalaya pat lami kemat da sembut Menteri Rangba obak senyau bhalang dhar. Habakren cikilat pathai KHUBOR hadirin ke jingyalang ubak senyau bahalang dahar uloong bakani ke jingyalang kadai kum shibenta ban sedang no ke jingya penbet ye uput usam hapdeng ke jylla Meghalaya bat Assam.
Chairman Regional Committee from Assam and the Chairman from SAT and all the other members.
What is the approach in the areas?
No, the approach is just to solve the border issues. That is the beginning.
Give and take, achieve the approach.
No, we haven't decided give and take. We haven't decided. So let us go to the field and all the local
amicably.
Yeah, we will listen from them and everything will be solved amicably from both sides.
So when are you going?
This is a desire to reduce, so we will wait the time from them.
What about at the level of the regional committees?
So the regional committee will, because our target is to submit the report to the state government by August. So maybe in last week of this month, July, we have to visit to
More than 31 villages under Block 1.
We didn't mention anything about 30, 40 villages, so now the exercise is yet to start. So maybe will come the actual figure in this.
The control area is all.
We will try to see from the low-hanging fruit first. That is the main need now, I think.
What is the assurance from the Assam?
See, there are no disturbance from Assam. We have long-pending border dispute, but we are sure, I am sure, we'll be able to settle amicably within a very short period of time. So, miscreants from many sides only. How will you miscreant is miscreant? Miscreant is miscreant. How will you identify sitting here miscreants? But Assam people have love to the people of Meghalaya, and I believe Meghalaya people also have love to the people of Assam.
So,
For that, I'm extremely sad for that. We shouldn't have less. We should have peaceful relationship with people of Meghalaya. Both the people from Meghalaya, people from our part, should have cordial, peaceful relationship, and our government, our chief minister, deserves that only.
Ke National Domestic Workers Movement Meghalaya kasing kabajipet ya kabhakam yat kibriu ki batrei bella haying briu kala dawa na ka sorkar bakala dei kapor ban itu khmat no ikni kasing khnang ban la ban pentrei kam ya ka an siu bainong sngi bayaran kat briu lani ka Minimum Wages Act ban pendap ya jingdon kam haying asem jongki. Habakren cikilat pathai KHUBOR ka kong ebina nongklau ka board member jangkani kaseng kala itu bakum ki nong tray ying briu bunsin ki jusha nyon ben ha ki tray ying ki batendrong dagi kam ki bakhya ha ka jingsiu ha ka dor baret nakani ka daw kala pelong yaki ban mi perthai bat ban wan shakmat ban dawa na ka sorkar bakan itu khmat no yaki kum kaseng khnang bakin yo jingada ne ki an bat ban shngan ka tray ka kta
ban dawa ya kata Minimum Wages Dekador by tray, te hakaba kandam ke kata kajing anak sarkar bahkan pendung ini hakatuk jong kata ka Minimum Wage Act hakaba ngila bangin yo yang takador bangila ban im ya kajing im ka bangila ban penya ya ka yang kasam bajungi ka baman na kasi te ban aru ya kila jingaram limba ka sarkar bakum kiskim nang ba nginyo ke jingaram namari long kita kajing tray jungi kalong mo baka sarkar na kantuk bangile kita ki unorganized sector mo te hakaba bon ya bakan bu ya bon ki an kaba kantuk ya ka security barkum churu baki an ki bede hapden kinong bella bat kitra ki ba ai kam ngi knang bangindan kajingnya itu bahkan don rukai hapden kajungi bangila bangin register pen kitra bakum churu mangi kinong bella Te haba katum ka cinya lenti bangin ya poi sa minimum wages kalau ka ba shisha nak benda jungi ki ba belas ni le se bangin im katum ka parthai ka cing im ka ba menta namar mo bangi ki udor wat ha kamar pan kamar di lene kum ha kita namar kum kinong bala makanaru ngidam kamhi ya ke ngidam kam bono masih ka baro lang pai lang bangi hi le kham tam ha ka leng kamar bang kamar di mo ten menta kamar kala kan kiyo ha padang shibanai ni apnai kala kan kiyo dor war ha padang shibanai kala kan kiyo dor te kalau ka senjing na ka menta ka dor belas ni ka jungi le se ha kum ha po ka union ka bang ni hi ni la da pemi yang to wage ka ha ka bang labu ki dor na ka benta ki babelas ni babela benta ka kum ki jing tre ke bamaki bangi ni tre bangi ni kita te wala kata ka kum ka jing yo jungi ka dor jo ka bang union ko yo tang bangi chi yo kan chi em breu en rei long bang ino bangin pa ho ngin yo benta lem ha kata ka bangin yo ban kin cho ban kin dep ka kham shen jing na ka benta jungi babela yo breu bat kan nam tam le kham tam na ka benta ki tu single mother ma ki ba re kan thai shi met ki ha ban nya ya ka yen ka sam na kamta ka by school na kamta ka by dawai ka by da shem ba kumju kamta mantale ka dor ba yen kam dei ka batan ki doi ki by yen manta ki ba ki sa haja ki sam haja te ka shem jing e kumta ni ka pa ka khmat ka sarkar ba kan bu ya kata ka dor ha ka ba ni ngila ngin yo ngin kot bangila un biang ka kum chadon kam jongi te ban ai ku kamta ki la jingaram na ka banta kum kilat kiskin bangila ban penya ban telun ya ke bangi ni dan kam ha jing im ka jungi
Kajawai Blood Bank Center hakas ngiraki ka World Blood Donors Day kalale buram yaki seng 3 months ngobha bat yaki briu shimet ki balapinno sinyang na kabenta ka bha kamiat jeng ki para briu ki bedon kam kerki ka senam da ka ba ice bun yala ka senam klem jing ting jing benot hakani kasngi lanyaw tang ye ka jing sbun jong ba special centernya ubala ice bun yala ka senam hadu arkusan sin Yo ba socially kamar bat uba 1 mi lalu ki bala ais bun yala ka senam marship hausin. Ya ka jingalang ay nam bekerpang na kabenta kini kilaingot la pelong Hajawai Civil Hospital Blood Center bat la tho iki kintin pertajam give blood give plasma share life share. Ki he sarkar jangka West Giant Hills District bekentup yu ba WK Kharbuli MCS Assistant Commissioner Dr. Rita Pormin Dr. P. Shillong bat kinong terai ka blood bank kilay don lang ban aimin sim haka ni kajing lang bekerpang. Haka jingkren uba kharbuli ulaya ro e kamin sim besbun jo kini kilaingot na kabenta kajing im jong ki para briu. Ulo ongru kajing ice bun yala kasnam kawanra e kajing kemen ka bakraw ha unong ai bat ikitu kibayo jing im na kani ka kambas bun kabawan na shalendet. Kumjuru ikibahing asem jong ki baro.
They do donate their blood voluntarily without any expectation in return. That is a very big message that we should learn from this event. That by donating blood, we can help others, especially those who are in need of blood, those who are sick, those who are in hospital and care centers who really need blood. I'll tell you one story. In fact, it's an experience that I've had because before I was in Delhi for quite some time, for a few years, when I was in Delhi, we among the tribals, especially the Khasinews tribals, we are well connected. We do communicate, we do meet often. So, in fact, we do have a forum over there where we get together and talk about the issues that the tribal community face in Delhi. And one thing that I've encountered from time to time is like we do, especially in our WhatsApp groups, we do get messages that we have those patients who come to hospitals in Delhi where they require blood. So in such instances, a few of our friends, they do come forward voluntarily to go and help. So that is an experience that I've had, and I do acknowledge the fact that without the wholeheartedness of these few people, without their kindness, without expecting anything in return, they come forward voluntarily to donate blood. So before I end my speech, I would singly thanks the individuals and especially the voluntary blood donors, the groups, the representatives of these groups. I would thank them individually. Because why? Because they have shown an example to others. Like it has been mentioned by this one of the earlier speaker, Socially Kamal, where he mentioned that people give many excuses when people they go and try to ask for help to get blood. They give many excuses that they are going to fall sick, they are going to have some problem, this and that. But he himself he has shown an example. In fact, he has donated 10 times. And even the other individual also who could not come here, he has donated 24 times to the blood bank. So I can thank them, individually. And apart from that, I would also encourage others who are healthy enough to come forward, because their contribution, it will ensure and it will also help those who are in need. And also we should remember that this year, if you go by the theme, give blood, give plasma, share life, share often. So if you go by the message of this theme, the thing that we can learn from here is that the voluntary and continuous blood donation, it is going to ensure a sustainable supply of blood, which is really indeed required, so that those who are in need of help, they can be helped immediately. And lastly, I would even suggest the district health machinery through the district medical health officer, as well as in charge of this Jowai Civil Hospital Blood Center, and even the in charge of Jowai Civil Hospital Shillong. I would humbly suggest them to take those activities which would encourage greater participation of people to come forward towards voluntary donation of blood.
St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong haka khat South rik jylliew kalapun kop burom de kisong pisa bat ki momento ki khat nyongut ki khna ke blawan shakmat haka embos HSSLC but SSLC examination haka ni jingalang Reverend Brother Albert the Card Principal ke St. Anthony's College Ulalong Ukongsan ki wei pat kinongket kam jong school ki bakenthup Reverend Father Anthony Kharkongor Principal ke St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Reverend Father Anthony Walang Vice Principal, Father Jivan Lakra, Rector, ki kena school, ki nong hikai, but ki kemi ki kpajong ki kena ki balawan ban lek kemen hakani kesngi. Ki kena balapun kop buram ki long nyongut na science stream, nyongut na commerce stream, but laingut na art stream. Haka jingkren yero ikini ki khat nyongut ki kena school balawan ra na mi ke school, yelade, but ya ka ying kesem, Reverend Brother Albert the Kar, ula perto ya ka jing tereshitam jong ki kena ki balawan shakmat, but ki wei ki bala pas baha hakani kesnem. Ulapan pau ke jing sngongo ikinong hikai ki belabut din ki jing puli jong ki kena school naduk badang sedang school haduk bekinyale iki examen jong ki. Ula perturu iki kimi ki kpa ki badan halendat jong ka jing job ki khun ki kti jong ki. Ula sneng iki kena bekin longkum ki pukni ki basam ling ba ya ka hau hau bat ki basuk kli wiau bandra ya ka thong jing job ha ka jing em jong ki. Bam purai ki lenong na ki kot na ki note start na yo na hat. Habayo jingkren ni ki kena ki bla syak pen kup buram ki lai thu ik jing e jongki bat ki lai ro ik nong hikai ki bla but din ki kani kesngi kelawan ra ik jingkmen ni ki kimi ki kpa ki nong hikai bat ki bor ba penyat school na lori ki kena puli jong St. Anthony's Shillong barok kawai.
What a beautiful message
Delight and gratitude fills me as I take my place once again behind this lectern to see returning home to school for the last time as our Rhine holders do it, accompanied of course by your parents, guardians, not to forget your teachers who have walked with you these past years and more. It is always an emotional moment for all of us and one that we shall continue to talk about for a long time. Every batch of students is unique, every celebration special, and every moment priceless. There is no repeat performance possible of such an event that comes together only once and is forever immortalized in the pages of history of the school. Regardless of how each one of you began your journey, I'm happy to note that you have completed with flying colors, enabling you to be seated here today in our midst. I'm very much aware and happy to note also the fact that many of you students have put in a lot of effort to get to this event. A few of you flew in from various states, bunking your classes which is already started. Others have traveled all night by bus and car from in around Meghalaya, while many dropped whatever they were doing here at home to get to the school again. Dear students, we are very glad that you did what you had to do to be here with us today. And it gives me great joy in extending to you and to your parents and guardians warm Antonian welcome as well as congratulations. Dear proud and happy parents and guardians of our students, it is indeed a happy day for you today. It is a special moment for me to be able to say congratulations and welcome to you to this program today. Thank you for being here with us. Your prayers have been answered and your hopes have been honored. Despite the many challenges that life might have thrown at you as a family, a father, a mother, an aunt, an uncle, coupled with the worries that disturb you as you ponder on the future of your children, and you have made it through. It is a side of relief, isn't it, to see your children getting a rhyme from this school, and for many of you to see them pursuing, to see your children going to various reputed institutes in the country. Dear parents, we would like to thank you for trusting us with your children and for giving us the opportunity and the privilege to mold them and to equip them to become the men and women that you envision them to be. For 2 years and more, your children, as a student of this school, you have given us the privilege of working with them through the most difficult phase of their lives as they struggle to discover themselves, their strength and their weakness, and more importantly, their challenging, their callings. We are deeply grateful to you for having trusted us in this way, and especially for giving us your support and your approvals of our initiative and programs taken and created for the welfare of the children. Dear teachers, behold all around you the result of your efforts and the fruit of your service. Each of these students who got the rank and who pass out of this institute will be leaving this great school with your fingerprints on their minds and your countenance in their hearts. You have shaped their thoughts and warmed their hearts, and you have led them to the threshold of a new life with better prospects in the years to come. Congratulations are in order, and thanks to your good measure for everything that you have done to make them worthy of this today. May God reward you richly
as we continue to labor for the good of many more young men and women. Guru, who was here 11 years with you, I would go with this word, saying a big thanks to you, dear teachers, who taught him from nursery up to others 10 and others with 12. A few words to you, my dear students, who are the rank holders. I would go with one of those students who said, be true to yourself and also true to your parents and to the God who has made you who you are and what you are today. Seek to be blessing always, and he who has given you life will bless you always. There is no greater glory than being alive, being a source of light, peace and joy to people who are traveling through dark and difficult days. To live for oneself is at best being near you.
And a cheerful morning to each and everyone present here today. My name is Guru, and as a student of Class 10A 2022-2023, I am here to deliver my farewell welcome felicitation speech. Today, as I stand before you as the 7th rank holder of SSLC 2023, I would first like to thank God for everything. Because without His blessings, without His grace, I would never be able to come this far. Thereafter, I would like to thank my family members, my teachers, and all my dear friends. Because without them, getting such a good result wouldn't have been possible. My journey here at St. Anthony's began as a student of Class KG in 2012, and it ends as a student of Class 10. A tremendous 11-year journey where I met great teachers, made many wonderful friends, and learned innumerable lessons and values. To all the teachers with whom I had the opportunity to learn from at least once, thank you. And to all my friends with whom I had the privilege of sharing the same class at least once, thank you to you all as well. And since Class 10 was my last class here, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude towards each and every teacher who taught the class of 10A. Starting off with our computer teacher and our class teacher, Bibi Sarki. Thank you, sir, for always keeping us advanced in computer science, so much so that we have already completed much of the topics of Class 11 already in Class 10. Then, I would like to thank Ms. Lasker, our science teacher, for making us believe that science is not a very difficult subject as far as Class 10 is concerned. Then, I would like to thank our social science teacher, Ms. Shada, because without our highlighted portions and her extra questions, social science would have been a terrible tragedy indeed, as I was not interested in that subject at all. Thank you, Ms. Aja, our Hindi teacher, for making us push our limits throughout the year and providing us with all the notes and good explanations, while our only job was to study. Thank you, Ms. Empibel, for giving us all the freedom in the EVS classes, and thank you, Sir Bennett, for giving us the values of life as well as PTs in the value education classes. Thereafter, I would like to sincerely thank our maths teacher, Ms. Marvin Young, for always working hard for us throughout the year, no matter what was going on in our life.
Kipat bak kanong stan ha ka khat sao tarik jylliew kilai mi asurok ban pen pau ka jing persya bat ban pen rem juri ka jing sya thombor bat sya le be jot bun ngut ki hebrit hawei runar. Kini ki kam runar persya ya ka long ren yeng jeng ki hebrit ka lajah kini ki kendiat tayo balala. ki pai ba nong shong shnong jong ka West Khasinews harangkat ki khana skul ki mi renti sha ka jingyai rally pai ba ban penrem ye uni urunar hakate ka jingyai pai ba ki nong shong shnong harangkat ki khana skul ki la pertaru de ki kentin penrem ye urunar harangkat ki jingtho penrem ye ki kam thom bor bat le bor jong u ye ki khana ret hadian ketika jingyat pai ba keladon ke jingyalang ban pensyai halor ki kam thom bor bat le bor ki khlung khna da ka kan hun North East Network katanat pulit bat kumju ru na ka Office District Child Protection
House nam arajar artho ngile ka wei ka study ka berit bah basan banai habangi shem bah hapo san banai ngiyo kombashi spa ndriu phuwei tali ki kes ki badai tang halor ki khna ka bamod man la kasni kombashi spa san phusi mo san banai man la kasni I don bet I wei I kes jong I khna lani ki khna samla ki basha thombor hanu re hanu but hapo kari India baro ko wei niyo I ba kumba lai phau lani san phau percent kindon ki kes ki badai halor ki khna khlung ki khna samla kata kadi ke ka ba ngathrai lada ngim nguthu bat ngim sim khia minta kanang kiu bat kanang roi bat kanang jash kanang ja bat kata kadi ke bangi ngim kwa takadao phi baro phi apoi sakane ka kam ta kasi bat runga kwa bandong ayu ke ngile kum kisang pham nga snow nga kham snow tenat banyo snow ya ka jingkin tho mo iwe ha kata kaseng kamle kani kaseng kale ni de ko ga shnong ko ga jaka lada tang ya kani hapo shnong nimla banyate song dani nimla banyatre lang te kamentoy te haka jaka bangin ya kan tho lani bangin ya krokti lani bangin ya ong ye kiwe balingim sedang shaneni kum ka shnong kum ki keme ki kpa kum ki nong hikai kum ki seng bhalang ayu phile halor kane sedang shone ki keme ki kpa phile ayu halor kane baro kha yang ni phide ki keme ki kpa ngarung ari ka kame ngarung adon khona ye phile ayu hato habaki wan ki khon na school phijukli longkum no khon kasni menta kasni phibam tifin ne phi yato khanane em baki parlok phile ayu baki parlok sikli ne mi me phi hato gin kli ki khnaret ki besong ne sikli ne mi me phi ha kajubang ni yo menta imei pa sikli ne em sikli ayu yu de aku aman yo so lada sikli
ya ka reporting ya kata kemut ya ka bagi nuan sakmat bani tu ikini ki jingjia normal kidon le se nang ni na preng kreatif ikini ki jingjia tang bagi menut nuan sakmat dai tang ha ki jingjia ran ki ong ba yo pa hot kubor yo kami kata kerteng ka yeng ka sam dongi iso le ran sarkar rapo kane ka ain kala ong ba kum la don kum kini ki jingjia but hane aku boleh kini media ke bestari ki ba snok ti lang bangi ki be sei tarikam bangi man kopor bakil kitep baladon kum gini ki jingjia kimnu penmi rai ke ketang jong ki khna kimnu penmi rai ya ke ketang jong ki jing kesam jong kini ki khna sakoiru kidon kipor baki ong ba ngimla barwan sakmat ani ngim ba ngko bani thu ki police namang hablek sha yeng ka chari hablek sakut hap si kita ki ba lawyers ki ba advocate hapok kane ka pok so a kala ong ba ha kita ka liang ru ko sarkar kala penbiang I ka advocate na ka benta jong fi himdan kam ban kuslai ka kham tam e ko long ba lada mengi hikai gi khna ban kum juru mengi kerang ba ikulai ban wan sakmat ban report kum gini ki kes sumudur mo pi ngatrai kamnum buon dakat ni kan ningut ki ikna ke basa tombor ban ladang ikulai ru ban wan sakmat ban ngikai gi khna ru beki dai ban slur ban wan sakmat ide ban dan kata ke jingi chan bat ki ban ki penslur ki bikin wan sakmat kini ki khna ki nyo ke jingi rap
Kakenhun jeng kinong di dokha apok kshatri jeng Khasi Janja Fish Wholesaler and Retailer Association haka khat South rig jylliew kalau pelong ye kejing ye kenduk lang Shillong Club. Kani kejing ye kenduk jengki kalong hadin baka sorkar kalakhang bandi ki dokha ki bawan shalan na shabar ka jylla. Kani kakenhun ya mentahi kadang sa ha ko umdum namar umshim lai thu ekatenrai bai kita ki dokha la inject dakadawai formalin. Uba Mitchell Wankar MDC Kalaban President kani ka kenhon ula shimbenta kani ka jingelang. Uba Mitchell ula petru ya katanat ka fisheries jangka KHADC. Haba krench kila pathai khubor na kaliang ba Mitchell ula ong bakat haduk menta ka kenhon jengkinong di dokha kampat tip nang no kawan ka jingkle dawai ki dokha. Kani ka kenhon kala kentui ka sorkar banwat benya ikatenrai jang kani ka kamthok kam syukur.
Press laiwan dan lang ni di kamtambu ai kini ki member jungi mo wan na po ka Khasi Janja Fish Wholesalers and Retailer Association di namar ba ngabat ko mo fisheries ai em po this council di kilai wan sangaru KHUBOR mo president jamani ka association di hadin manglai I to ki jingbani ko ha mo kapasindat sindat ti kum ki patba ko porni medon Bobonangi ki medon Shillong tingila shu ki member jungi kila brief kila det punya kendo secretary don hangi ba marbania ni kila shu punya kendo ya deputy commissioner but hagato ka je kendo jungi ila lat na banta bandi ki dokha ki ban Assam te ka ba caution but mangi ngilo concern kalong halor kini kita khaki ban Andhra Pradesh namar ngan keren clear mo kita khaki ban Andhra Pradesh kita khaki ban test but ngidon ka kopi hangi nyemju accept ya kano kani ka kopi mo haman lagi trap di ban Andhra Pradesh kidon gini kelalong kita khaki lalong tested terlai ngi ngilongo namar ka jinsam sample ke jongki 40 sample ki shem ten rai ki khlam batayengi ba namar habaki penpoi dokha kisem sample tangga ka dokha ka bonan rapres lani ki bon ki we ki state ru komman chu ongi fi ki bon ki dokha ki bon ki we state ru te ka jing kwa ka jungi yang ni ka long ba ni sha ni kwa na kaliang ka government namar na kaliang ka Andhra Pradesh ka penbiang rat barokhan ha ka por bagi le ki kemi dokha haka por bagi packing haduk bagi dapat sini barokhat kilale dagi scientific method kilalong tested te bangi kwa menta bani shai hangni kalong bana kaliang jongka government kata kebon penong naka fisheries department bana health department ba tip ya jing sisa ban tip ya jing sisa ni request yakini ki atli department bakin pha daga team Andhra Pradesh kumbalale ke government of Bihar, government of Nagaland, ki pha ye ki team la jong shathi Andhra Pradesh ban ba kin let banwat bania halor kini ka kam ka bagi pha ka do khanang thi namar milayo jing tem bana government of Andhra Pradesh kila da pha ka shithi shaka government of Meghalaya halor kini ka phang tingi kwa mentana ka stain namar ki babon balang kim tip halor kini ka kom packing ka scientific method haka bala penbiang not nadang sedong don ki ba ong kile ahlenti sengkien don ki ba syakran hangni yang tai kami ha ka government hi kan hap pan simkhia ya kani ban pha be dak investigation team ba kani ka rokha ka bon Andhra Pradesh namar ba kalong kaban bam ne kabyang ko makila pa kini kikot kisla namar ba kani kalawara ka problem ko ba he ba haga ba yuwe ni member jungi in sa brief ya ka kita ke jungi ka ba ya kendo lada bani ki dok hakum ni namar ngi lada cha ban teng hawar jar khat pra tengalong mo ba lada kata ka dok ha ka don formalin balen le sisen samsnan balen inject formalin sisen samsnan hawar jar khat pra shwa election MP kana jagni manta ka jaw ar pulai MP election ka di ar saw tenga ngamtip ka igi jing mut jangadi te bangi kwa ru ba ka dokha habates one bantes ba ante ya pok liyo full pack ka dokha tang ba pin sei ka dokha turu kan sempor ku masiteng ta ya gi spongut kitu gidaju ban sei tangi terpal ban bread igi skum ban bread igi thermocol hadu ban poi ka dokha bat ngan su batai fi namar nga shua bangan don nakani ka kam ngala sa des ban ngani tu ipi karong impossible ba kin on road igi dokha hasiteng inti tingi kwa daga tim ka bapaka nakaliang ka government bana dong ka bala lay kin bot linti na do Andhra Pradesh hadu Shillong ka to ka juga kali ba kipat ba kin sai kedang bagi pajba kin sai kedang ya menta pajba usaha kalungo bat mangir wanang ipi midai ki breu ki bala im hangni ki ba im nang ni boni ki ba khayi ndai chu tang mangi nang ni la khayi di ki lai sau generation nadu ki forfada jungi ila khayi ni ka kam ban ngani tu ipi ka dokha ka bangi di hayo ka di ka dokha ka bangi ai ba mahinga samru tingim kwa ba kasmahi try hindi ka sa ta ana ngepet ani garkom dan mar ki babon mo ki babon ki way ba ki jat benriyo ki babon ki jat benriyo ki yapet kliaw sa ni ka dokha namar batray ng jungi bar ka di tang ka dokha ka bayaran ti o kasi la ngepet ki kam te kemot sipang la yo dunia sipang la penjat doktai ndai tai tang ka kam dokha ka bangi ni so sarong ba kadai ka penjat da ki chat benriyo jungi
just ko ang kali ta daily consumption ikdokha buwan po
Andhra daily consumption subu no kanlong ba lai poton ye lai poton tangga dokha Andhra lai po metric ton ba phi yung ba ka sample nga kwa ban klitang kawai kadang ki sample sa botoli kat bana Andhra Pradesh ni tang south ki sample saujan kata dei karahu katla rupchanda pangas tang kita ki saujan ki ba point Andhra Pradesh ti piso to kita ki lai pun rujak ki besim bede ki dei na ki ti ndai apor ki ban bede ki ban be tang ya dokha Andhra Pradesh sada kalau kunta bele ha Guwahati Assam umban Bengal ki ba 90% ki bam dokha ka Bihar ka bam dokha mentang itu ipi wat sa Mumbai ka Maharashtra ru la supply dokha na po Andhra ibun kira that ben bam ki sifes ti ngalmo ba bale ang state ibang idang bam dokha tang life home metric ton jisni ni ikni kitai but kan sapoy ka por na marba lada kumni umdan pa marso ini kan sapoy ka por ba pinlingo bale di dokha san spa 3 kilo bale ba di dokha san spa kilo pika door wholesale jungi ka 600% 600 po de bana injection formalin bale ita kita ki kam ka dokha ka de ban door san spa 3 kabay lebor menta kan oi bri ban injection ni ta gido kha dan kam lagi pungut ki bri te ka pisa ka ben bot tu te ka mut balai be ka dor kha ka dang ret nang ta daw no pi katar ko ka Commencement balai ba ada ka dok kha sya ka kyo sanspa ndruspa banle gini ru ka don ka possibility rei dok khai be kan sispa ndrusan ka la da pi khani menta ka bami ha ka do ai ka batat ka de dok kha na bar khat jing ba pipet ka dor kiwe ki marbam ki aran te ngalung mo ba kasong hagi por ki bari ben pek insalit bani kundo ba ban investigate ba lor kani ba kani kamdai ban ja so kani namar ba kini kinong dia dok ha ki bodon hang ni tuibi haba ban kum ni kumna ru shitayo shwa kamar ka bakila de ai shakitu kinong dia ki badi kutia atau ka pisang ni mnumyo asu namar kaju ay maki Kalau ka chain bi markam bangi dia dok hangi shani apara kasi ni ai so kamar kapisang ni sesim hadian begila dabdi. Kata ka di kajing hamde kuma di kwai mo.
Kakenhon Jangkari Boy District Cricket Association RBDCA haka jingelam uba regional kharkamni president haka khatsau tarik jylliew kala no senyang da kaba ais bun ye kasnam na kabenta ki jingdon kam jinginong pang hanongpo civil hospital. Kani kajing ais bun ye la kasnam kalong shibenta ban rakhi ye kasngi ais bun ye kasnam World Blood Donation Day satlak ka perthai. Uba regional kharkamni president ka RBDCA ude way ne kiba ais bun ye la kasnam man kapor. Ulong bakajing ais ngob hai kasnam kalong kabedon kambha bat kalong ka dauba ban yo ekemet ka bakot pakhya. Uni urang ba uya wer ki pararang ba bakalong ka babha ban ais bun ye kasnam bat kam kta yo nong ai henry ka ai jing im ye kitu ki bapang bashitam ki bedon kam snam ha kapor bakhim bakhat.
Meghalaya Meghalaya Cricket Association ka pambe jing ais nam blood donation camp Korok State ki badan blood center Mapura Joy, Nostin, Shillong, akan ni mampu. Dan yang jungi nak lihat di district cricket association di meeting berbeda. Hingga don komba hutang juga berbentar. Berpemdi kesini bulikong dari kebagi berbeda dengan MC dan organize kini donation camp. Dari kesini kepada Meghalaya yang pertama nak lihat jungi kebagi berbeda. But ingin ai kubli group di player jungi sport staff official wisi mentalang mana membuat kemudian situ itu yang gue secret association leader ini ais nam shimen di dan di case besarkan di yo discharge di hospital las di alai di hospital Shillong nama kiblat place kastam dan yang di official ini sport staff ini dan di IR unit lain unit dan machine unit tertentu bersama mana yang ini kejung Islam kepelat ini juga kuat atau itu sudah ada jumpa bersama dengan ini bersama yang juga atau tak sini ke World Blood Donation Day di akhir tadi dengan sini dan tak tahu dan air kami dari lakukan yang juga man kapor isi air tiba rekam atau nak yang tiba produk Islam belum nih kesem belum palak Islam pun di tempat di bersama ya kecil toy itu betul kita kampatai kembar dari ke pengisutu antara arsin dan sing lawan Islam nilap ni susting kapor kamu dan berkat kapor met kumtata dari sing layo tu cing tip lagi ke bawah kalau di Islam juga amet juga kan berbah ya ke Islam stang lain di sepuluh lain di hata tetap mengisutu lagi but ni isu ini kalau kalah yang ini kayak juga dipiak hadir kemudian ngilakan ISG bikin lupa kami kesana itu bisa hampir kalau bicara atau yang punya ini yang ngilap bagi price kan dia kasih balai kan ni tempat penting perlu ya ini Islam tentang pun kita tinggi gedung dunia kita orang orang Jepang kita orang Malaysia kesenam kami jungi yo kaca ke kepang stong tata dengan ini kami penting dengan kali di doktor suami organize kursin nilai songkai mo dan kali jumpa ke ingin jumpa yang ini lap ada jumpa yang apa ya kita juga mungkin jangan nong air pada nong influx secing ini beru
Kesurok ba National Highway 44E Mairang Nongston kabayat lingba ka Shillong Kinshi Bangla kalajat rathai labun sinyamenta kani ka jingjot jong kani kesurok hakate ke benta jong ka Shillong kajuan ra bun sini ki aksiden hapadeng ki kali ki bawan na Nongston bat ki bana Shillong unong ai khobor ka dbmnTv ulai kendo i usordar ka Shillong Kinshi Bangla uba ai banri kupar simle halor ka jingjot jong kani kesurok usordar ulong bo executive engineer ke PWD ula kular ban maramot bat ban siang rong ya kani kesurok Henry Imat kala Kamstet kaliur ban trekam ban ya ke PWD jong ke sarkar jylla Watla ka per-em kalalong ka bajalan mentau snem ulong. Usordar ula kentui ketanat PWD bawat lada kamla ban siang rong Henry ban maramot no kloy kenang bagi kali kiban yat nya kini kesurok kinlat nya gijing majing mensa.
To hakadi ka por ka bamentang dan harut jong kini kesurok National Highway balik na Nongston sa Tura. Po joni ka Shillong jongi Shillong Kinshi Bangla. Hakabang nila bani I bakani surok kala sniu bah nadu ki snem arajar arpau arajar arpue. Di nadu ni snem hakabakani surok kala jot hakabakala dan kejing sya penjot nakadaw jong ka jinghap jur ke jong slap. Dikini ke jaka kalong ke jaka ka basong batru hakiti snem nakaliang jong snong nilai kendu nila air application sa expert engineer jong ka PWD Road NH44E ang kay Shillong. Te hadian bang lay kendu bat I te ila simkiay ka kam bat ila pha ya ka subdivision kemudian ang mepo mo maram na kabta bakin one page ni kani Shillong. Hadian bag lawan page kila klong ni kani karong namar bakadi ke jaka ka bamium bat hadian ketapat kila thep mau biang sesien. Te kila I sa spor tu bat kata ka julong kurkom na kaliang ka PWD department la si marab kadi jaka ka basong kipet chwa hadu kat nu ko kami na kani jaka te hadin kat tu kat ni banai kat tu kat ni snem part na kaliang jaka PWD department kala persang ban klong biang bat adin nang ta kala tap ru taki plastik ta de tarpa adin nang ta kala tap mau biang jero te plus nang taru kala sna si kani kanala nang ni narut nang baka ke bumi nang ni kan jer seperti kenala. Te hadirin bakal ada kita baru nila yo balik ini yang markamat bat executive engineer bat nakaliang jong executive engineer ulang bangin sa pa siang rong no min ay kontraktor no. Bat kaliang jong isnong ru ni la ya tray lang bat executive engineer hadirin. Te ndray hadu kini kesni ke bangtang ila bani I bahadir bagi lapun so SBU jong ka PWD Road NH44E mau maram ke subdivision hakabana kaliang jong u laong ba ya kini kam la de ba ko te nging la menjur no ikata balaong bala ai kontraktor la penhap ini mau bat hadin ba nilai up na kapor hadu kini gisgi ke bamentangi I ba kontraktor si khamla ban petrei ya kani kakam tabadi kani surok kani kelawan ra jing sisa yang ni ndai tang kinok sok sedang jong ni nomor kani kadai kalang kiya ke surok ta haga bakila dan bun ba kali yang ni dan ru kitrok nata ki kalirit ki balai aksiden mangila ba di imata kani ke surok haga ni ke jaka ka bangayeng sekalian kamon kadon ka surok ke padang biang kasi kabaki beri kiale baban ya kani ke benta joko ni kasurok badan sekalian kamon te kibawan nang tinanay bat nang ginarum bawan nang ginarum ru kapasang banya cika ni kaliang kamon teng kawan ra ni aksiden ya katarong ada pan report sa ki nang tray jong ka PWD Road te mo bat makiru kilala ban sakiya ki den re kaniga surok hadu matangi I bakalan nang sni susu lasiwan tap mau kendri mau kat banang mi isni ini mau nang kendri serut mo nomor kajing ya cuki kali di kerpat kayaknya di lada kampat la ban tray ban siang rong ni kaniru aku pakan suripir mun malah kena makan la yang saw bat baki beri ki bayatnya kani surok kan pesuk kita ba ngai play ki nang fok kubor le si ki ba la I kani kam bat si aga ba mangar mo yo bat pa gidip ni kanang ba kanung sa umdum ni kibapul ba ni ba mana kalian jadi stop singla ba pa ba siya ba siya ni na kalian jadi stop ila siya gidip ta hindi sa kapali ba benta jong ka hindi ba kan nanti ba pero kaploy ka tang kini ya kani ka surok ka jingjot jo kani ka surok si kala day na dus nam arja ka hakabakla penpaudak melu malale si kani ka rong kala ki sedrok bar kami denrei ka bakam sniu susu ka de hadin ba na kalian di department lawan na ka benta batti bat siang ni kini mau kata kemud hadu mata kala adap kembalais na pergi hadu mata ka makasa kumni kamle ta ka de ka jinong
Kidak kishin kiba ima bat itrim ya kalawai jong gejala Meghalaya kilas dang ban pau perthai ha ka bagi pat ba kilapin idak be kilas dang do jing shania jing shingan jing nyaukor jing burom bat jing ko ngo ye ki bor senchar ke sarkar jilla government department police municipal district council kisem borshnong bat kumta terter ha ka bagi seng bahalang ki keneri ki ti bantre ye ki kam bagi tanak tre kam ke sarkar ki di banle ye ki balasiu bainong ha ka dor ka bahe bat ka barem bha man kapor la ui ha ki lat pathai khubor bagi seng bahalang ki le ki kam ki baha ka jing shisha ki di ki kam ram bat ki deiti jong ki tanak tre kam jong ke sarkar bat ki nong tre sarkar banle ye ki lada ki bor senchar ki balajer haneng amla banjer lut kim beso ye ka minsim shakri pat ba ki nong tre jong ki halaki jong ki kerdan babunjat jahari ki pliak ding kin sebam do yakani ke jella bat dak tu ki khobor ngila poisha ka bakut tat hadu beng desem biang khoblei shibon